The 2017 Startup Canada Newcomer Entrepreneur Award goes to the Haddad family. The Haddad family founded Peace by Chocolate, a unique chocolate company that blends Syrian and Canadian culture together. For more than 20 years, the Haddad family has shipped specialty treats all over the Middle East to countries like Yemen, Jordan, and Lebanon. The family's original factory opened in Damascus, Syria in 1985. After the Syrian civil war, they lost their business due to bombings and were forced to relocate to refugee camps before moving to Antigonish, Nova Scotia in 2016. With the support of their new community and the people of Nova Scotia, they rebuilt their chocolate company and once again are spreading the gift of peace by chocolate.